Today I'd like to welcome our newest member of our flock. This here is Dale. Yes, we got another Quaker Parrot. For those who've watched my recent videos, you know that we lost our we lost one of our Quaker Parrots. Come here, Chip. So we have Chip, and we had Pringle, who got outside and flew away, and we never ended up being able to find him. So we felt really bad for Chip, and we came across another Quaker Parrot that needed rehomed, needed rescued. So we got Chip a new buddy. They're getting along really well. So we were really hoping. Sometimes you never know how two birds are gonna act when you first put them together, but they're doing really well. So he is extremely sweet. He's just really. I mean, he's 6 months old. He was hand fed as a baby, and so he just has no fear whatsoever of humans. He likes to snuggle up with you and like sit on your neck and just get real close to you, and he's just super sweet. He looks pretty good right now. When we first got him, his feathers were pretty messed up in the back. I don't know if part of it is because he is only 6 months old, but he had a crazy amount of pin feathers coming out the back of his neck, which he probably couldn't reach to preen and everything. But within a couple days, maybe even the next day, he's looking so much better. We gave him some water, and he happily splashed around, got himself all wet. And then thanks to Chip here, they were standing next to each other on the back of the couch, and Chip just started fixing all of his feathers, just took care of all of the little pin feathers, and we were just preening him for probably 30 minutes. It was really cute. So he does have his wings clipped, so he does not fly, but that's how Chip was when we got him, and now he's flying all over the place. So all right, so we started doing some training with him already, started doing some targeting and stuff like that. So you'll see him in other videos that I have coming up. He's going to be out in the aviary when we go out there, involved in training and whatever else we're doing. All right, I will end it there. I will leave you with some random footage we have taken of Dale over the last couple days. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.